Hello everyone, welcome to Tai'an Dongtai Machine Manufacturer. We are professional manufacturer for injectors and pumps. And also we can provide all the accessories for pumps and injectors. Today we are going to introduce you a comprehensive test bench, model number 1918. This test bench can test common rail injectors and pumps, can test EUI, EUP, and HEUI. First, follow me to the systems. This machine can test common rail injector, stage 3 measurement, IQA coding, EUI, EUP, HEUI injector, common rail pump part, HP0 pump, Denso HP5 pump, HEUI pump. Also can test VP37 pump, VP44 pump, TICS RED4 pump, Denso VE pump, Caterpillar pump. Also, this machine can test mechanical pump, PT pump, PT injector, and SCR test system. Below this screen are the switches. This is the fuel pump open switch. This is the fuel pump off switch. This one is fuel heating switch. This is oil heating switch. This one is oil pump open switch. That one is oil pump off switch. This is the signal light for fuel pump open and off. This small screen can show the DC power 12 voltage. Also this one. It is an adjust switch. And this one is emergency stop. Next, I'm going to introduce you our 3 benches. As you can see, we have 3 benches for this test bench. Common rail injector, EUI, EUP, HEUI. This can test C7, C9, C-9 and 3126B. We also have another model. This can test 3412E and Isuzu. Okay, next, let me introduce you the inside of the bench. This is the fuel pressure gauge. As you can see, we have 5 pressure gauge. Fuel pressure, oil pressure, fuel oil pressure, pump internal pressure, self-priming pressure. This is the cable connector, oil tube connector. This is the cable connector. Next, follow me to the inside construction for these benches. This is the oil tank. This is the diesel tank. We have 2 tanks. And the next is the oil supply motor to supply the oil. We have 5 original Bosch filters. You can see. Next is the forced cooling system. This is 2 motors for HEUI. It is the switches for fuel pressure regulation and oil pressure regulation. This is the power supply control. This is 320D supply control. This is BIP, supply control. These three are small filter. These two are solenoid valve. And we have a flow sensor. This is for injector flow sensor. This is oil flow sensor. This one is pump flow sensor. Next, this is original Bosch CP3 pump. This one is to control the percentage for supply oil. It is a cooling fan. This is the motor. The standard kilowatt for this motor is 18.5 kilowatt. You can also choose 7.5 kilowatt, 11 kilowatt, 22 kilowatt. The brand for this motor is Mengniu. This is the internal. The brand is LG. Below is how we connect our cables. Please follow me. For cable 10, 20, 30 are fire line, and N is zero line. E is the earth line. The voltage is 380 voltage for three-phase electricity. After we test all the pump and injectors, we will get the test report from this printer. This is the shelf to holding all the accessories. It is the power switch for the test bench. Next, we are going to test a common rail injector. It is solenoid valve. It's a cable connection. It is the oil tube for intake. It is for spray the oil. Then we will choose the brand. As you can see, the brand include Bosch, Caterpillar, Cummins, Delphi, Denso, Siemens, and Volvo. All the brands are here. We will choose the required brand. Today we will test Denso model number 5296723. Then we press continue and start. We can test the RPM, pressure, temperature, time, resistance, and inductance. You can see the drive wave when testing.刚才张总说要把这个打出来，然后让我说一下，可以写公司名称、客户名称。 The test is finished. Next step is to print the test report. You can see the test report on the screen. Now we print. On the test report, you can see the test result, and also you can write your company name, contact information, and your customer contact information on the test report for you to make record. We return the system, then we make the QI code. Yeah, we have Bosch, Delphi, Denso, Siemens, and Cummins. We press Denso, choose the correct number, and start. We finished get the QR code. Next, we print the QR code. You can see the coding here. And then we print this code. You can see, you can write your company name, phone address, and your customer contact information on this test report for your record. We finished testing the common rail injector. Next step, we will test the EUI, EUP, and HPI. Here you can see all the brands: Bosch, Caterpillar, Cummins, Delphi, Detroit, and other like Siemens, Witt. These are the brands. We choose the brand, the model, and then we press continue. We have two models of cam box. This one is our new model. You can see these are the collectors and adapters. This is the simulator for testing the UI-UP. This is the cam box. This one is another model. You can see the adapters and collectors. These are all the spare parts. This is also the simulator for testing UI and UP. This is the cam box. Yeah, these are the two models of cam box we have. This is the new model cam box. Oil supply. This is oil return. Next, we connect the BIP. Oil injection. It is the solenoid valve. We choose the required brand and input the model number. Then we press continue. Supply the oil. Adjust the pressure. You can see the pressure gauge. Then start the test. The first step is warm up. You can see the data on the screen. We can test RPF, angle, temperature, time, and VIP, resistance and inductance. You can also see the drive wave. 那个我们测哪一个呀？测上面那个 C7、C9、C 刚才。
C746的。
啊。那我还要再说 C7、C9、C 刚9。
C 杠9的，这个信号。
We finished the test. Then we get the test report. You can see the test report on the screen. Then we print the test report. It is the test report for the EUI-UP test. You can write your company information and your customer information on this test report for your record. Okay. Then we press return, and next we will start to test HEUI injector. These separate benches will save your time for changing the different injectors and pumps. We choose HEUI test, and the model number is 235-2884. We press the required model, we press continue, and supply oil. Then we start the test. First, we are going to test the leak. You can see the data, RPM, pressure, temperature, inductance, and resistance.
介绍完了这个是怎样的。
没事。
We have finished the test. The next step is to get the test report. Then we print the test report. On the test report, you can see the test date, and you can write all the contact information for your company and your customer. You can see all the test results here. So it is the test report for your record. We have finished the standard 3 functions for the CR918 test bench. If you have any other questions, you can contact us. Don't type machine. Thank you for watching.